Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Game Center on Mac. So, Game Center allows you to send invitation to your friends and other Apple users, making it easier to connect before playing supported games together. If the other person accepts your invitation, you will both become Game Center friends and enjoy supported multiplayer features. So, to invite someone, click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Game Center. After that, click on Show Profile. Now here click on Add Friends button and then in the search field, enter the Apple account email or the phone number of the friend whom you want to invite as your friend in Game Center. After that, click on Invite button right to their name and the person will receive your friend request, and once they accept it, they will be added to your Game Center friend list. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.